Home security cameras in 2026 have completely lost their minds in the best way possible. We're talking cameras that spin, track, zoom, and run on battery power for nearly 2 years straight. Some are under $100. Some will make your jaw drop at what's packed inside. And a couple of them, they're doing things no single camera has done before. I tested and researched all 8 of the best options out right now, and I'm breaking them down by what actually matters: specs, price, and real-world performance. Let's get into it. Kicking things off with the Reolink Atlas PT Ultra, priced at around $110, and this thing punches way above its price tag. You're getting full 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160, combined with a pan-tilt motor that gives you complete 360-degree horizontal coverage and 90-degree vertical tilt. One camera, full coverage of an entire outdoor area. What makes this one stand out is the color night vision, actual vivid color in near darkness, not that flat gray infrared footage you've seen on cheaper cams. Smart detection handles people, vehicles, and pets with solid accuracy, and all of it stores locally on a micro SD card. No subscription, no cloud fees, no nonsense. If you want reliable 4K pan-tilt coverage without breaking the bank, the Atlas PT Ultra is an almost unfair deal at this price. Now let's jump to the complete other end of the spectrum. The Eufy S4 Max costs $1,299. And before you close the video, hear me out, because nothing else on the market does what this camera does. The body houses 2 completely independent cameras. On top, a fixed bullet camera recording 4K at 3840 by 2160 with a 122-degree field of view, constantly watching everything. Underneath, a fully motorized PTZ camera with 3x optical zoom that stretches to 8x hybrid, and it moves automatically. Here's what makes this genuinely different. When the bullet camera detects motion, the PTZ camera locks onto the target and tracks it. If a second threat appears while it's already tracking the first, the system instantly zooms back out to capture both in the same frame simultaneously. No other consumer camera solves that problem this cleanly. It runs an 8-core processor handling real-time recognition of faces, vehicles, pets, and unfamiliar people all at once. 2 terabytes of built-in storage, expandable to 16 terabytes. IP65 weather resistance. This isn't a camera you buy because it's cheap. It's a camera you buy because nothing else does what it does. $90. That's what the Tapo MagCam 4K costs. And yes, it delivers the same 4K resolution as that $1,299 Eufy. Same 3840 by 2160 pixel count. The approach is completely different though, and honestly, smarter than you'd expect for the price. Rather than continuous video recording, this camera captures ultra-high-res 4K snapshots at rapid intervals, building a time-lapse style playback that's actually more practical for reviewing events quickly. Detection uses this snapshot system layered on top of a motion sensor, which gives you better alert accuracy than cameras relying on PIR alone. Battery life hits up to 200 days thanks to a 10,000 mAh cell paired with a solar panel. Mounting is magnetic, 0 drilling, 0 screws, stick it anywhere in under a minute. The 150-degree field of view covers most entry points, and it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. For renters, small homes, or anyone who needs flexible placement without tools, the MagCam 4K is legitimately hard to beat at this price point. I've dropped links to all the cameras covered today in the description. Check those for the latest pricing and any active discounts. If your biggest headache with outdoor cameras is constantly recharging them, the Reolink Atlas at around $80 is the answer you've been waiting for. This camera runs on a single charge for up to 540 days, not weeks, not a few months, a year and a half of continuous operation. The secret is a massive 20,000 mAh battery, double what most competitors stuff inside, paired with efficient 2K recording at 2560 by 1440. Add the optional solar panel into the mix, and you're realistically looking at a camera you may never need to manually charge again. For remote locations, detached garages, barns, or anywhere running power cables is just not happening, nothing touches this battery performance at this price. Color Night Vision delivers genuine, true color low-light footage, not that washed-out monochrome look you get from basic infrared setups. And the 10-second pre-recording buffer means when something triggers the camera, you are seeing what happened before the alert fired, not just the aftermath. Most battery cameras completely miss that window while they're waking up. The Atlas doesn't. Most floodlight cameras make a compromise, either decent lighting with mediocre video or decent video with weak lighting. The Reolink Elite Floodlight Wi-Fi at $160 refuses to pick a side. Video is 4K recorded at 5120 by 1552, a wider pixel count than most competing floodlight cams on the market right now. The angular 180-degree field of view means a single unit can monitor an entire side of your home wall to wall, no blind spots. The lighting side is equally serious. 3,000 lumens of floodlight output with adjustable color temperature running from warm 3000K all the way to cool 6500K. Most floodlight cameras ship with a fixed color temperature, and that's that. This one lets you dial it in based on your space and preference. Motion activation with dimming control gives you smart light behavior, and a built-in 105 decibel siren handles the rest if anyone decides to test it. Smart detection for humans, vehicles, and animals runs completely on-device. No subscription required, ever. Everything saves locally to a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. No cloud dependency, no monthly fees, no third-party partnerships. Just a genuinely capable security light and camera in one clean package. Think of the Eufy S4 at $300 as the sweet spot between the budget options and that dual-camera S4 Max we covered earlier. It's the camera for people who want serious versatility without serious complexity. Inside is a triple lens system, a 4K main sensor handling primary recording, plus a dedicated telephoto lens shooting 2K with 3x optical zoom extending to 8x hybrid. The motorized base delivers full 360-degree pan and 70-degree tilt, meaning one S4 covers zones that would normally require 2 or 3 fixed cameras to monitor. Automatic motion tracking keeps subjects locked in frame without any manual adjustment. Where this camera gets really interesting is its dual-mode operation. Plug it into power and it flips into wired camera behavior with 24/7 continuous recording and extended detection range. Unplug it and it switches back to efficient battery mode automatically. Same camera, 2 completely different operating modes depending on what your setup needs. The image sensor is more sensitive than most brands at this price point, which translates to fewer false alarms and more reliable detection in tricky lighting. Modular by design. Buy one now, add more later, and they'll communicate with each other for cross-camera tracking across your property. No subscription, no government data partnerships, just local storage and dependable performance. Ring has been coasting on brand recognition for a while now. But the Floodlight Cam Pro 2nd Gen at $250 shows they've actually been paying attention to the competition. Video is now proper 4K at 3840 by 2160, a significant jump from previous Ring generations, with a 140-degree horizontal field of view covering wide outdoor zones cleanly. The 2,000 lumen floodlights are genuinely bright and responsive, activating fast when motion is detected. The 3D motion detection system maps depth to reduce false triggers from passing cars or tree branches, and the bird's eye view feature gives you an overhead perspective on movement paths across your property, genuinely useful for understanding patterns over time. With a Ring Protect Plus subscription, you unlock 24/7 continuous recording, which is where this camera performs at its ceiling. That subscription costs extra every month, stacking up considerably over a year or two compared to the no-fee alternatives we've already covered. There's also the broader Ring ecosystem to factor in. Ring has documented partnerships with law enforcement agencies that allow footage requests under certain conditions. If privacy is a top priority for you, that's worth knowing before committing.
But if you're already running Ring doorbells and indoor cams, already comfortable with the subscription model, and want a polished 4K Floodlight upgrade, this delivers exactly that.
Wrapping up the lineup with the Google Nest Cam at $100, and this one earns its place through sheer intelligence rather than raw specs. Resolution sits at 1080p HDR, which on paper looks modest against the 4K options we've covered. In practice, the HDR processing and Google's computational imaging pipeline produce footage that's sharper and better exposed than plenty of cameras running higher pixel counts. The 130-degree field of view handles standard coverage zones without issue. Where the Nest Cam genuinely separates itself is on-device AI. Facial recognition, package detection, vehicle alerts, and animal identification all run locally on the camera's built-in processor. No cloud processing required for basic detection. If you're subscribed to Google Home, you get 60 days of event history storage, which is one of the longest retention windows available in this category. Battery life on the wireless version runs up to 7 months, and the magnetic mount makes repositioning effortless. Deep integration with Google Home and Google Assistant means voice control, smart display feeds, and automation routines work seamlessly if you're already in that ecosystem. For Google Home households, this is the most naturally connected option in the entire lineup. Here's the honest truth about where things stand right now. The gap between budget cameras and premium cameras on pure image quality has basically closed. The $90 Tapo Mag Cam and the $1,299 Eufy S4 Max both record at the same 4K resolution. The difference is entirely in features, intelligence, and how the camera handles complex situations. Need the longest battery life on the planet? Reolink Atlas, $80. Best floodlight that actually nails both the light and the camera side? Reolink Elite Floodlight, $160. Maximum flexibility between wired and wireless operation? Eufy S4, $300. Dual camera tracking that feels like it's from 5 years in the future? Eufy S4 Max, $1,299. Tool-free magnetic install with solar? Tapo Mag Cam, $90. Solid 4K pan tilt without spending much? Reolink Atlas PT Ultra, $110. Already deep in Google's ecosystem? Nest Cam, $100. Already running Ring everywhere and want the premium upgrade? Ring Floodlight Cam Pro 2nd Gen, $250. Every single price and link for all 8 cameras is sitting in the description below. I found the best current deals and discounts so you don't have to go hunting. If this breakdown saved you from buying the wrong camera, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need it. Subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown, because the smart home space is moving fast and we're covering everything that actually matters. And if you're serious about securing your home properly, click the video on screen right now. It covers the smart home devices that owners who've done this right say they wish they'd added first.